Hello little friends! Today we are going to learn the names of some yummy fruits and healthy vegetables. This is an apple. Apples are red and crunchy. This is a banana. It's long and yellow. These are grapes. They come in bunches. This is a mango. It's called the king of fruits and it's super sweet. This is a watermelon. It's green outside and red inside. This is a pineapple. It's spiky outside and juicy sweet inside. This is an orange. It's round orange and full of vitamin C. This is a strawberry. It's red, tiny, and full of seeds. This is a kiwi. It's brown outside and green inside with tiny black seeds. This is a carrot. It's orange and crunchy. This is corn. It's yellow, sweet, and fun to eat. This is a potato. It's brown on the outside, soft inside, and makes yummy fries. This is a tomato. It's round and red. This is an eggplant. It's purple and shiny. Some people call it brinjal. This is an onion. It has many layers and can make you cry, but it's super tasty in food. This is broccoli. It looks like a tiny tree. This is a cucumber. It's cool and green. This is a chili pepper. It's red and very spicy. Handle with care. Now you know your fruits and veggies.
Yay!
Don't forget to eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Thanks for watching.